Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to my channel, Magnificent Flow. This is your general reading for December 2021. And thank you so much for being a part of the channel. Please continue to support it so that the channel can move forward. Press the subscribe and like button for those of you who are new to this channel. It really would be greatly appreciated. Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, okay? So for December, we have a total solar eclipse on December 3rd and 4th, along with this new moon. Now, normally the new moons are about setting your intentions, but since this solar eclipse is close to the south node, and the moon is also close to the south node, this is about letting go of old behaviors, attitudes, sometimes people as well. Okay, so with this, we have the full moon. The new moon is going to be in Sagittarius, and the full moon is going to be in Gemini on the 19th and 20th. And the full moon is about letting go. So the theme of letting go, releasing will continue, Scorpio. Okay, so Scorpio, I've used the singing bowl to raise your vibration and dial you up. I've meditated over the space, also cleanse the area as well. All of the cards have been shuffled. So we're going to start with the overarching energy for the month for you, Scorpio. Overarching energy for Scorpio is the angel of love. The angel of love is with you this month, Scorpio. And at the bottom of the deck, we have your fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael, opening up your heart to love. Isn't that beautiful? So you have Archangel Raphael and the angel of love, both working on healing your heart. Okay, what phase of the moon is affecting Scorpio? It's time to take action. New moon. Okay, this one is in Aries, but the new moon, December 3rd and 4th, is effective, activating you. At the bottom of the deck, we have the full moon. You are good enough, and this full moon is in Virgo. Okay? So what area, what planet, house, or sign will be affecting you, Scorpio? Something tells me to pull this one. The 10th house, your achievements and status in the outside world. Okay, so there could be, a new job offer coming your way. Or it could be, something that you've contributed to the public that may be getting noticed as well. What you don't see coming is the energy of Virgo. Is dutiful, hesitant, and humble with a discriminating, diligent, and painstaking air. Okay, so that is what's showing up for you, Virgo. And this could be something that shows up in your career, how you approach your work situation, which is, that's good. Okay. What you don't see coming is this Ace of Wands. That could be, it's a passionate situation. I don't know why I'm thinking this. Either way, they're here. Okay, Scorpio. Your situation is about, having some balance here. Being able to take care of your responsibilities in a fair and just way, okay? That brings balance. When you don't outweigh one, you keep things going and giving it equal amount of your time, okay? So this is your situation here. And we know that when it comes to your finances, they ebb and flow. Okay, so your finances go up and down as well. So you just need to, be attentive to how you manage yourself. And this is expanded. This is Capricorn in Jupiter. So, you can overextend yourself when it comes to, your money. So just be careful this month because this is your situation. Okay, and what's benefiting you is those nights that you've had to, wake up with the pain of not having what it is that you want. But this is like the 9 of Swords. And this is ending. The worry is ending, okay? So this is what's benefiting you, knowing that you don't no longer have to worry about how things are going to turn out because you have more confidence in your self. And as this moon is saying, it's time to take action. So you are getting ready to take that action once you end this symptom of worry. Okay, and then we have a Queen of Swords here. Now, she is someone who is, she's about the truth. And she doesn't beat around the bush. She is going to, cut through all of the nonsense and get to the point. So this Queen of Swords is in a position of helping you with clarity, keeping your eyes open and telling you the truth, okay? And this could be, a mother figure because it is an older person who is knowledgeable and, very intelligent. All right, Scorpio, this is the Hanged Man. Okay, there is no movement here. The Hanged Man has information. See, he is illuminated here. He has the information. However, there's also some Neptunian energy there where there is no clarity right now. You can't see what you need to see because sometimes Neptune puts you in those rose-colored glasses, where you think things are, rosy when they're really not. So you can't act on anything just yet because you are still working on getting the clarity that you need to take your step forward. But this is all, this is all about things that are changing, okay, Scorpio? And then we have the Eight of Cups. You have changed your mind about something and you are very inspired about moving on to something else. So usually the cups are an emotional feature, okay? So, you have emotionally let go of 8 cups. And you're moving on inspired by something new. And at the bottom of this deck, we have the Nine of Gabrielle. So just so you know, we're going to pull clarification, Scorpio. And just like that, we have the Queen of Gabrielle. You can do anything right now. Go after what you want. The ability to attract helpful people. The Queen of Gabrielle is passionate, charming, brilliant, independent. Okay, I'm going to sit her right here, right under the 8. Because she's definitely talking there. The 8 of Michael. You can be free, make a courageous choice to change your situation, not seeing things clearly. Now here, that not seeing things clearly is right here with the Hanged Man. Page of Raphael, gentle, loving, dreamy, overhearted. This is the Page of Cups, a new emotional situation. Messages regarding relationships or social invitations. Great intuitive insight. Now that's beautiful. Now we will choose the last one. And this is the Moon. Can you see it? That's the Moon. The opportunity to improve your plans. Listen to your intuition for accurate guidance. Face your fears and grow stronger. Beautiful. Right here underneath the 9 of Swords. And next to the Queen of Swords, which is about growing stronger and proving your plans. And then stay determined, move forward, be prepared for any possibilities, and take care of your environment. Okay, Scorpio? All right, Scorpio, this is your general reading for the month. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck to you. And until next time, bye for now.